Bugfree AI is one of the newest AI software tools that just dropped, and if you're here, you're probably wondering if it's the game changer it claims to be. Stick around till the end of this video because I'm about to break down the 7 crucial things you need to know about Bugfree AI to determine whether it's worth your time and investment. First off, let's talk about the core function of Bugfree AI. This tool is designed to streamline bug tracking and resolution, specifically for developers and software teams. If you've ever been in a situation where you're juggling multiple bug reports, Bugfree AI takes the chaos out of the process. By automatically scanning your codebase, it identifies bugs before they even have a chance to become problems, significantly reducing the time spent troubleshooting. The AI learns from your previous issues and integrates them into its system, ensuring that the next time a similar issue arises, Bugfree AI can flag it before you even know it's there. It's like having an extra team member on your project, but without the overhead. And what's even more impressive is how it uses predictive analytics to identify potential risks in your software, based on patterns and trends. Next up, the user interface. For anyone who's ever felt overwhelmed by complicated software, Bugfree AI is a breath of fresh air. It's incredibly intuitive, designed for both beginners and advanced users alike. The learning curve is minimal, and you'll find yourself navigating the tool with ease. Whether you're a solo developer or part of a large team, the user experience is smooth, allowing you to focus on what matters most, getting your software right. Another standout feature is its integration with popular platforms like GitHub, Jira, and Slack. If you're already using these tools, you'll love how easily Bugfree AI integrates with your workflow. This means you can track and resolve bugs directly within your existing systems without having to jump between different applications. Now, let's talk about Bugfree AI's ability to prioritize issues. One of the biggest challenges developers face is figuring out which bugs to address first. Bugfree AI uses machine learning to analyze which bugs are likely to have the most impact and highlights them, helping you prioritize your workload. It's an efficient way to manage resources and stay on top of critical issues. Speaking of efficiency, the speed at which Bugfree AI processes bugs is another key factor to consider. With faster processing times and real-time updates, it keeps you informed about potential issues instantly, so you're never left in the dark. No more waiting for bug reports to pile up or dealing with slow responses from other bug tracking systems. On the cost side, Bugfree AI offers a free trial, and it's worth mentioning that their pricing is competitive when compared to other tools on the market. With the value it provides, you might find that Bugfree AI pays for itself in the long run by saving you time, money, and stress. Finally, one of the biggest advantages of Bugfree AI is its adaptability. Whether you're developing a small app or working on a massive enterprise-level project, Bugfree AI can scale with you. It's designed to be flexible, so it can grow with your needs as your projects expand. Before I finish, remember, you can try Bugfree AI completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. After testing thousands of AI tools, I've carefully selected my top recommended software in the description, which you can also check out. If you're serious about improving your development process, Bugfree AI is definitely one to watch.